What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode we're taking a deep dive into eSun's PLA Basic in Fire Engine Red. This one's a very interesting one. Basically, eSun, I've worked with their filaments in the past. They're pretty good. They have this nice little cardboard spool, which is always good to see. Not a huge fan of their boxes, just because I'm not a fan of that laminated cardboard. I think it breaks down a little bit more difficult than just not having that. Anyway, they do have these nice little tabs here for their bags, which usually makes it a little bit easier to open if I did not suck at opening things. But anyway, we're going to get this open here. Apparently I'm just going to go ahead and go for the slicer. Yep, the box cutter. There we go. So let's get that open. Move that. And here it is. That's the filament. Color, nice deep red. But there it is. And as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this filament dryer for at least 6 hours. I'll see you back here shortly for the benchy. Alright, so here is the benchy. Basically, pretty standard. I usually do it in the, I do it in the generic PLA. So let's get that situated. There it is. And we'll go ahead and get that sliced. It should take around 45 minutes or so. Yep, there it is. So we're going to get that done along with, and here are all the other test prints. So we always start out by printing that generic benchy. There was a little bit of artifacting, as you can see there with the long piece of filament coming out of that benchy. But, we're going to be able to rectify that along with some of the other smaller stringing issues and a couple of other smaller things. So let's go ahead and get that fixed. So next up we have the dimensional cube. This one's printed 40 by 40 by 40 in spiral Voss mode. Basically pretty good, no real major issues. The temperature tower here, the best one looks to be probably 210. I would say maybe definitely 210. Next up, we have the retraction test. There was a little bit of stringing on the retraction test, but overall, I'd say it's pretty good. No real major issues there. Next up, we have the max volumetric speed test, and for this one, everything looks fine. No real any issues there at 20 millimeters cubed per second. That worked out pretty good. So, next up, we have the overhang test, which for some reason I got apparently, there it is. Next up we have the overhang test. This one failed at 30 degrees, so just be aware of that if you're working with this filament. Next up we got the benchy printed. We got those things dialed in and reprinted that, and everything looks golden. Again, anything I changed is down in the description below. Again, no real major issues or anything realistically too much to fix with this one. So it's always good to see. Anyway, over at Amazon at time of filming, you can pick this up for less than $13. Link is in the description down below. Overall, pretty good price for PLA in today's economy. Here is the Fire Engine Red. My overall thoughts are, look, if you're looking for this color, and this price point ain't too bad, so pretty good. Anyway, this has been eSun's Basic PLA in Fire Engine Red. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. I've been Higgins with Legal Automations, and I hope to see you back here at the next full review. Thanks.